Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought that I would just do a quick video and show some of my Boxycharm that I had gotten for this month. Now, in this video I will be doing it outside. As you can see, my setup that I usually use is not available to me at this time, so I was like, well, I'm going to go ahead and do the video because it is a really good box, and I was going to do it inside, but I seen how pretty it was and how warm it was outside here, and I thought it would be a perfect opportunity to just go ahead and do it outside. Now I'm filming this with my phone, so if the video is kind of shaky, I do apologize about that. It's just kind of the only thing that's available to me this morning. It is about 8:30 when I am filming this, so like I said, it is quite early in the morning. But I want to go ahead and get started with my video. So the first thing that I was really excited to see that was getting was an item I had never heard before, or a company I had never heard of before. It is So de Janeiro. This is a fast absorbing body cream that helps tighten and smooth like no other. So this is the purse size. It is around $10. So it is $10. It is a really, really good cream. Let's see here. It is it is inspired by the Brazilians' favorite feature, the Bum Bum. I went on their website, and it is also known as Boom Boom. Not really sure how people pronounce it. I know it can be pronounced differently. But Boxycharm did send us a trifold pamphlet this month, not just the regular pamphlet that they usually send us. Now, the size that everybody did get in Boxycharm was $10. I went on their website, and the full size is $45, which I think if it is a really good moisturizing cream, you know, it would definitely be worth it. I do plan on buying it when I run out of that. The next thing that I was excited to see was the Alamar eyeshadow palette. Now, this eyeshadow palette does... Let's see, it is $28. Now, this was made by someone that works for Boxycharm. This was their own makeup line, and it is showing the beauty and culture of Cuba is what the pamphlet does say, but this is what it looks like. This is the outside. Looks like a little book once it's opened up in the front. So as you can see, it has some really pretty colors. I'm really excited to use, especially the teal and the blue colors there. Now I did use the brown, the Cafequito brown. I did use it in my look yesterday. It is really pretty. It's very pigmented, but it's gorgeous colors. And this is the Reina del Caribe eyeshadow palette volume 1. I know I'm probably not saying that right, but the next item I was excited to see that we got was the Paddington, let's see, wait, the Paddington Silk Lashes. These are in the style, well, Monroe. So this is what the box does look like, but this is eyelashes themselves. Very pretty, but they do go for around $25, and I think this is the second set of eyelashes we've actually gotten from Boxycharm, which is really good. The next item that we got, or that I got, I know there's variations of the lipstick. I did get the Ofra long lasting lipstick. This is in the color Verona, which I wore it yesterday and I love it. It was very matte, but it wasn't very sticky. It wasn't very drying on me, at least. It wasn't. Now, I know this is the second or third. I know this is the second or third Ofra lipstick we have gotten from Boxycharm, but this is what it looks like. This is the color of it. It's kind of a darker, kind of like a chocolate brown, I guess. I'm not really sure. And if it seems really shaky, I know this video probably will. I will try to edit some of that out. I am filming this on my cell phone. Yeah. So, the Ofra lipsticks, let me look here, go for $21. And it's a long-lasting liquid lipstick in a one-step full lip color that does not feather. It says these vibrant colors will give you a vivacious new look. They are creamy and soft in texture, moisturizing the lips and creating a long-lasting lipstick effect. No need to use lip liner. This liquid lipstick gives you a beautiful edge to your lip look. There's a lot of claims, but I do agree with most of it. It is a beautiful color. Now, from my understanding, the Verona was the only color that came in in Ofra, but I know that they also had a lipstick in Galactic as well. I didn't receive it. Then we also got 3 brushes. These are from Luxie. Now, mine's not been opened yet. I did not use them in my look yesterday. But the entire set is worth around $42. That's one thing I will say about Boxycharm is they do send a lot of brushes. About every month you'll get a brush. These are in the 3-piece Flawless Complexion. They retail for $42 a piece. And the sun is getting in my eyes. Sorry. Let's see. It's a foundation brush, a highlighting face brush, and a duo fiber powder brush. Yeah, I'll try them out later, or in another video, I should say that. And the last item that we've got is the Jonte Blue eyeliner pencil. Now, I know there was 2 options that came with this, charcoal and brown black. I did get the charcoal one. It's not something I would usually go for on my own, but this is what it looks like. I do plan on using it, though, just to see how good the eyeliner pencils are. We actually got a lip liner pencil, wow, a couple boxes ago, I think it was. But yes, the eyeliner pencil does go for $5. I know this video is not real in-depth, it's not real quick. However, you know, I am filming this on my cell phone, and I have a lot of things to do today. It is Father's Day, so we've got some things to do. But I do hope you enjoyed my video. If you're not subscribed, go ahead, because I do post videos, or I'm going to try to post more videos. I know the last one I posted was about a week or so ago, but I will go ahead and link it either up top or in the description box. I'll go ahead and try to get everything linked together, and I'll try to edit out the shakiness as much as I can out of this video. But I've got a few things coming that I plan on doing some boxings or tutorials of. I'm really excited. I've got another thing coming from Boxycharm that I got with my charm points, or however they say that. So I've got that coming. I just received another order yesterday from one of my favorite websites. I plan on kind of doing a haul type thing with it again. But if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, because like I said, I will be doing more videos. Yeah, but thanks so much. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I appreciate y'all watching. Bye.